lived for 500 years. Just know a few big clean up sodium bicarbonate. 1. Pour baking soda and white vinegar into the bottle. Add beer and laundry detergent. Finally pour in warm water. Shake evenly. Puncture the bottle cap into a few holes. Put the cap on and put it in the toilet tank. This flush toilet is clean and odorless. 2. Detergent plus salt. Pour in the baking soda. Place it in a bowl. Add in water and mix well. Dip the solution to wipe the range hood. It won't have to be replaced for 50 years. 3. The bottom of the pot at home is burnt dark. Add salt to the pool. Baking soda and white vinegar. Sprite detergent. Stir and react. Soak the pan for 10 minutes. Wipe back and forth with a rag. Another 100-year-old pot. 4. Squeeze 2 centimeters of toothpaste into the bowl. An appropriate amount of washing powder. Add the baking soda. Pour in the white vinegar. Add the right amount of white wine. Drop a few drops of detergent. Add water to dilute. Mix well. Load into a watering can. Spray it on stoves and cabinet doors. Rub lightly with a towel, and immediately it's a whole new look. 5. The kitchen drain is blocked again. No need to pay for access. Find a water bottle. Cut off the bottom and put it in the outlet. Pour in the baking soda. Then pour it from the vinegar. Put your hands on it. From vinegar and baking soda, the impact generated. The sewers can be opened easily. 6. Sprite added to the mop. Detergent and baking soda. White vinegar and white wine. Tie the belt and leave for 5 minutes. Then rinse with clean water. The mop will be clean. 7. The sink is blocked. Add the white wine to the water, baking soda, and white vinegar. Let them reflect. The sewers will be opened immediately. 8. Pour Coke into the washing machine. A little dewy water. A proper amount of detergent. Add baking soda. Pour in the white vinegar. Turn on the cleaning mode. Come and give the washing machine a bath. Look at the washing machine, it's so dirty. Don't learn to collect. Learn slowly. Pay attention to me and learn more tips for life.